Welcome to our channel. If you want to check your tire pressure monitoring system on your vehicle's dashboard, follow these step-by-step instructions to monitor tire pressure properly. Step 1. Start your vehicle and allow the dashboard to fully illuminate. The TPMS warning light looks like an exclamation point inside a horseshoe-shaped tire symbol. Step 2. Check if the TPMS warning light is illuminated. If the light is on, it indicates that one or more tires have low pressure and need attention. Step 3. Navigate to your vehicle's information display using the buttons on your steering wheel. Look for a menu option labeled Tire Pressure or TPMS. Step 4. Select the tire pressure display to view individual pressure readings for each tire. Most modern vehicles show real-time pressure for all 4 tires. Step 5. Compare the displayed pressure values to the recommended tire pressure listed on the sticker inside your driver's door jamb. This sticker shows the correct PSI for your vehicle. Step 6. If any tire is more than 10% below the recommended pressure, add air as soon as possible. Underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency and increase wear. Step 7. Use a tire pressure gauge to verify readings if you suspect the TPMS sensors may be inaccurate. Manual gauges provide a backup method to check pressure. Step 8. If the TPMS light stays on after inflating your tires to the correct pressure, you may need to reset the system or have the sensors checked by a mechanic. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.